We'll guide you through how to download your Gmail emails to ensure you have offline access or backups. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your Gmail homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From there, select See All Settings to access the full settings page. Now, click on the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. Here, you need to enable POP for all mail or just for mail that arrives from now on, depending on your preference. Once you've selected your option, make sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This allows your Gmail to be downloaded to email clients that support POP, like Microsoft Outlook or Apple Mail. If you prefer a one-time download of all your emails, you can use Google Takeout. For that, open a new tab and go to takeout.google.com. Deselect everything first, then scroll down and select only Gmail. Click Next Step, choose your delivery method like download link via email, and select your file type and size. Finally, click Create Export. Google will prepare your archive and send you an email with a link to download your emails. This may take some time depending on the volume of emails. It's a great way to have a backup or transfer your emails to another service. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.